Forests, rural areas, and dense urban environments all experience natural disasters. But network coverage can be poor in these locations. With the Sonim Rapid Deployment Kit, first responders will have access to FirstNet, the reliable, highly secure, interoperable wireless communication platform. It's a rugged, portable, and self-contained communication device that helps teams stay connected in even the most hostile and remote situations. Everything needed, including 4 FirstNet-ready mobile devices, is contained in a lightweight, durable carrying case. There are 4 power-over Ethernet ports for multiple devices, and it can also support failover satellite connectivity and land mobile radio interoperability. The kit integrates FirstNet, GPS, and Wi-Fi signals to create a 300-foot connectivity bubble that gives personnel highly reliable network access in virtually any location. FirstNet and the Sonim Rapid Deployment Kit gives teams the connectivity they need to deploy fast, act quickly, and stay connected in nearly any environment.